Mi Watch Color Sports Edition with 117 sports modes, 5 ATM water resistance, built-in GPS launched. Mi Watch Color Sports Edition has been launched in China as the latest entrant in Xiaomi's Mi Watch Color series. It has a round dial and comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED display. There are 2 buttons on the right side, a lightweight body, and comes in multiple color options. The Mi Watch Color Sports Edition boasts of 117 sports modes that it can track and give health data for. It is also offered with multiple strap colors and more than 100 watch faces to choose from. Mi Watch Color Sports Edition price. The Mi Watch Color Sports Edition is priced at 699 Chinese yuans, roughly 7,700 rupees, and is offered in elegant black, space blue, and ivory color options. Pre-orders for the Mi Watch Color Sports Edition in China will start from October 21st. As of now, there is no information on whether the smartwatch will come to India or other markets outside China. Mi Watch Color Sports Edition specifications, features. The Mi Watch Color Sports Edition features a 1.39-inch 454 by 454 pixels resolution AMOLED display that is always on feature. It comes with 120 watch faces to choose from and customize the look of the smartwatch. It comes with a 420 mAh battery, and Xiaomi says the Mi Watch Color Sports Edition will last for about 16 days with typical usage. The battery life can be extended with a battery saver mode that can take it to 22 days. In the outdoor sports mode, the smartwatch will last for 50 hours. For connectivity, you get GPS, GLONASS, NFC, and Bluetooth. The Mi Watch Color Sports Edition can automatically recognize the activity and track accordingly. Being a sports smartwatch, it comes with tracking for 117 sports modes including running, treadmill, cycling, swimming, trekking, skipping, and any more. It features a blood oxygen sensor, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, PPG sensor, stress monitoring, sleep monitoring, and breathing training. The Mi Watch Color Sports Edition features 5 ATM water resistance and works with Android 4.4 devices and up, or iOS 10.0 and up. You get to choose from 6 different colored DPU bands with the smartwatch. Being a smartwatch, it can perform typical functions such as showing notifications, set alarms, reminders, control your music, and more. The Mi Watch Color Sports Edition weighs just 32.5 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.